Compact dual dash cam with night vision, Wi-Fi enabled, full HD 1080p, wide angle, 24H parking monitor and motion detection. Capture clear and detailed videos with this dash cam, featuring front and inside recording. It supports dual dash cam recording, allowing you to simultaneously capture footage from the front camera and interior camera. Imagine the peace of mind you could have every time you drive, knowing every moment is captured in crystal clear detail. That's the power of our latest dash cam with app, a compact guardian for your journeys. Equipped with front and inside cameras, this Wi-Fi-enabled dash cam records in stunning 1080p Full HD at night or day. The quality remains impeccable, thanks to advanced night vision capabilities. Equipped with a G sensor, this dash cam automatically locks and saves videos when it detects sudden shocks or collisions. These clips are effectively protected and can serve as powerful evidence when needed. It supports up to 64 GB memory cards, allowing you ample storage for your video files. Worried about missing an angle? With a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, this dash cam ensures a comprehensive view, leaving no blind spots. Parking has never been safer. The 24-hour parking monitor vigilantly guards your vehicle, providing you extra security even when you're away. Loop recording means you'll never run out of space, as new footage seamlessly replaces the old. You'll capture everything without interruption. Motion detection technology adds another layer of protection. It intelligently senses activity, automatically recording any unexpected events. Easily access, download, and share your videos through the intuitive app. This dash cam is not just a device, it's your driving companion, offering peace of mind on every journey.